looking at a few different varieties here. These two that I'm in right here, this one over here is a variety called Aroostook. Was developed up in Maine, but it's a very early maturing, fast growing plant. This is Elbon, which is kind of the flagship of what we use. It's from the Noble Foundation in Oklahoma. They're very, very similar in the fact that they both are going to be the first things headed out. It's a little hard to tell. I would say that the Aroostook may be headed out and flowered a day or two earlier. Yeah. Most of the pollen is off of this already. There's still some pollen shedding on the Elbon here, but they're going to be very similar. So if you want the thing that's going to mature, head out and grow the fastest, either Aroostook or the Elbon are going to be the best choices. From a grazing standpoint, I would probably go with the Elbon because it was bred specifically for forage. And I think planted earlier, again, these are planted October 17th, planted earlier, I think you'd see a little more fall growth from the Elbon than you would Aroostook.
It's definitely going to be more winter active than the Aroostook. It's what we refer to as a southern rye. It's going to be more winter active than the Aroostook, which is going to be more winter hardy.
Yeah. But we've never really seen issues with Elbon surviving winters up here, and we've even had it up in the Dakotas, and it seems to have always done well.